Okay, so just finished up here, new door, new opener. It's a Liftmaster 3840 screw drive. Super quiet, smooth. There's the door. This is an 18-foot wide door, so it's got a strut on additional struts on the bottom two sections. This is a steel back door, front steel and back, new springs, new opener, safety beams, and then this is the deluxe wall console for the Liftmaster. It's got a motion detector, so it'll turn the light on and off. It's got a light control and also a security lock, and this operates the door. Also, too, for all you guys that like to spend a lot of time in the garage, you have no excuse now to tell your wife you have no idea what time it is, because there's a temperature gauge and a clock on this one.